Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display it's giving you an ExHE error, and you are trying to figure out what this error is and what, if anything, can you do to get rid of it. So first things first, the ExHE is the electronic control board is sensing that it has an error on itself. It's faulty, it needs to be replaced. So I'll put a link in the description to an actual tutorial for specifically replacing the electronic control board. But before you do that, there's a couple cheaper, easier potential fixes that you should go through. First of all, is just a hard reset. So turn your dryer off, disconnect it from power for a full 5 minutes, then restore power, and then see if that doesn't clear out the error. If that doesn't clear out the error, then you can move on to accessing the control board. And when you access the control board, you want to check behind it. And again, I'll put a link to a tutorial for this. You can check behind it and make sure all the wiring, there's nothing disconnected, frayed, loose, anything like that. And replace and repair any wiring as necessary, because that's cheaper than the entire control board. If that all looks good, then you can proceed to replacing the control board.